making this video on a 2014 C250 Mercedes. This video is about this whine that they have when you're driving. You hear that whine? A lot of people says that it's the pulley or something on your alternator. A couple people said that it's, different things. A couple people got that fixed on their vehicles, which I don't think it's the pulley. What I think it is, it's the power steering fluid, which probably costs us maybe about $10 for a quart if you get some from Mercedes. And I'm doing this video to show you that that's the problem and not a $300 pulley that has to be replaced. So what I'm gonna do, I'm heating the vehicle up to it has one part on the stick that says 20 degrees, and then it has another one that says 80 degrees. So basically I'm heating it up, and I already checked it earlier and it's low. So what I'm doing is I went to the auto parts and I'm heating the vehicle up. So basically what I'm gonna do, once I get back to the house, I'm gonna pop the hood, and then I'm gonna pull the stick out, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just kind of filming, kind of in transit, just to show you that I am driving the car and that the car's been driven. So when I show you, when I pull the stick out of the power steering fluid, I can show you exactly that after the car's been driven, it's still low. And then we'll basically go from there. So basically now you can still hear the whining. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically open the power steering fluid up, pull it out, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wipe the stick off and stick it back in. Take it back out and show you that if you look on the stick, basically how much it has in there, just a little bit on the tip, and the line is way up here at the top. So basically it has that much on the stick, but it's still probably about an inch off. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of this pristine power steering pump fluid, and I just got the one with the stop leak in it, even though I know I don't have a leak on it, but I just got the one with the stop leak. And basically, I don't know exactly how much gotta go in, so I'm gonna have to basically dump a little bit at a time to make sure. Basically, I have to dump a little bit more. I basically don't want to overflow it or overfill it. So what I'll do, I'll let it run for a little while. And if you kind of listen, That whining is leaving a little bit at a time. So I'll get back in the car and see. So basically now, if you listen to it, you can hear, and you don't hear the whining. So basically, I don't know if that was the problem for everybody, but that was the problem on my 2014 C250 Mercedes. That stopped the whining of the vehicle. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If not, just watch for any other video that I put up. Okay, thanks.